Okay, so right here, what did really happen? Maybe jump the side curve or something? But we have 2015 Porsche Macan Turbo. Oh yeah. And it's not a bad SUV. It's good. Porsche. I wonder. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, buddy. We have some parts. The only thing that I don't like from all of these parts is that they're not on the right spot. And why do we have an oil filter in the back? What is going on here? Not good. Other than that, yeah. Let's see. Looks pretty clean. Well, ooh, a carbon fiber accent. Wow, look at that. All the books. Oh, this is crazy. This is a rare find. You guys know, again, all these auctions people take whatever they find. It's unreal. But yeah, honestly, the number seems like to be in the front. That's it. I think. Seems like here we're missing something. Maybe the red is in the front, but you already have another one over there. Huh. Interesting. Can you pop it? Maybe. Maybe. Yeah. Is that the key? Oh, yeah. Seems like the key got... Oh no, what is that? What's going on here? Someone took the key? Or what? Huh. Wow, CD? Wow. Crazy. Oh, look at this. Charger. That's for you. What? Yeah. I like this console right here. I really like this one. Huh. I wonder what's the deal with that key. Key no found. So then what is this? Huh. Crazy. I like that. Little watch in the middle. Huh. It's nice. I mean, Porsche, man. What do you expect? It's a pretty good one. But this is like, oh man, so nice. And still missing some couple of features, seems like it. I don't know. Is anyone seen a Porsche with all of that here to be full? Like, what's the top model of Porsche that has all of that? The top model is more like a sport car. It's not a luxurious car, or like a, you know, have the cameras and all that stuff. It's just, yeah, wow. I really wonder. Other than that, man, it's a nice car. Before I get mine, I was looking one of these guys, but Not this spec, because this one has like a carbon fiber steering. And on the side, you can see that. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Here's it, but yeah, I wonder what happened here. It's obviously a collision, the front one, but I wish I can open the hood. Oh yeah, yes it did, yes it did. Whoop, whoop. Huh. Okay, V6 again, and boy, everything here is so tight. It's like you need to remove your filter, seems like it. This is your filter, just to be able to access your spark plugs. Man, this, like, look at this. How would you access your spark plugs in the back right there? Just like something simple. It's like you need to, man, this is, yeah, I don't know, not a big fan. I'm not a big fan of that Porsche, but I mean, honestly, I think it's a deal. It depends on what really happened with that car. But Porsche, man, yeah, buddy. Okay, let's move to the next one. Boom. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys like videos like this. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.